Hello guys, so in this video you'll be learning how to set up the Facebook story highlight or the featured collection using our Trust Seal badge. Alright, so you start by launching the Facebook app. Before setting up the Facebook story highlight, you need to ensure that the archive folder is switched on. So in order to do that, you go to settings, so you visit the menu, then you navigate down to settings and privacy. Then you should click on settings. Alright, then you would have to scroll upwards. So you scroll to the audience and visibility. Then you click on stories. Alright, so you're gonna locate the story archive. Then you have to be sure that it's turned on. Alright, so the archive feature is turned on here. Okay, so we could go back there. Alright, so the next step is to upload the story you would want to use for your Facebook story highlight. Alright, so you go for select multiple option. Select the Trust Seal badge followed by the front view of your NGNP ID card. Then lastly, the rear view of your NGNP ID card. Then you click on next. So this is a preview. NGNP Trust Seal badge followed by the front view of your ID card issued by NGNP, and lastly the rear view. So you click on share. So it's been uploaded completely. So you click on okay. So this is it. It's perfectly fine. So to add to your story highlight, you would see the star button at the top corner. So you click on it. So you're gonna see add to highlight. So if you're creating it for the first time, you click on new highlight. Then you call it Trust Seal. All right. So you're gonna add more. So you select the front view of your NGNP ID card and also the rear view to add to that collection. So you click on next. So yes, it is perfect. All right, so you save. All right, so you see we've added the highlight. All right, so at the same time, so they've all been created, looking perfect, right? So you visit your profile page. So you click on menu, then click on your profile. All right, so these are the highlights we've created earlier. All right, so this is the latest one. So we're gonna teach you a second method you could use to create a story highlight on your Facebook profile, where you have to add the photo to your archive before setting it up completely. So you click on create story. Right, so you click on select multiple because you're going to be selecting the Trust Seal badge first, followed by the front view of your NGNP ID card, and lastly the rear view. Okay, so I'll be selecting the Trust Seal badge, the front view of your NGNP verified ID, and the rear view. Then you click on next. So this is a preview. So like I said earlier, this is the Trust Seal badge followed by your ID card and then the rear view. Then you click on share. Alright, so it's been uploaded completely. So let's check our story. Okay, so you could see it. This is the Trust Seal badge and your NGNP verified ID. This is the front view and this is the rear view. Right, so to set up the highlight, you click on the three dots at the top right corner. So you're gonna find archive photo. So you're gonna click on that. Okay, so click on archive photo. Yeah, so you're archiving it so that it will be available for you to set up the Facebook highlight. All right, so next you're gonna do this, archive this also. So you click on the three dots at the top right corner and click on archive photo. Then you click on OK. So this is the last one. So you click on the three dots upwards and click on archive photo. Okay, so why we're setting it up on archive is that if you don't do it this way, you'll have to wait for 24 hours until the photo is not available before you'll be able to set up the Facebook highlights. Yeah, and also you will have to activate the archive feature on your Facebook profile so that you will be able to access your stories that have disappeared after 24 hours. Then you will be able to set up the Facebook highlight. All right, so this is a fast way of doing this in minutes. Okay, so we click on OK to archive the review of your NGMP ID card. All right, so that's that. Okay, so the next step is to click on your menu button on your Facebook app, the straight line. Okay, so you're gonna visit your profile. So perfect. All right, so you're gonna click on this three dots just beside the edit profile button. So you click on that and you will find archive. So that is where your stories that have disappeared after 24 hours are in, and also the photos you've archived can also or will be found there. So you click on archive. All right, so here we go, so this is it. So you click on story archive. Wow. Okay, so this is it. Today you see that. Okay, so you click on the first one, the Trust Seal badge. Then you're gonna find highlight at the bottom right corner. You're gonna find it here. Okay, so this is the highlight at the bottom right corner. Okay, so we're gonna start with the Trust Seal badge. So we're gonna highlight it. All right, so we are setting up our highlight on Facebook. So the title is Trust Seal. Don't forget, only use Trust Seal. Okay, so that's it. We've set the title. Then you're gonna add more for this highlight because the highlight name is Trust Seal, and the Trust Seal highlight contains the Trust Seal badge, which is the Trust Seal photo you have, followed by the front view of your NGMP ID card, and lastly the rear view of your NGMP ID card. So you're gonna add more. All right, so the front view of your ID card and the rear view. Then you click on next. All right, so I think we got it right. All right, that's perfect. So you click on save. All right, so you could see it. This is, you could see highlighted at the bottom right corner. Okay, you see that? Yeah, so they are all highlighted. So this is perfect. Okay, so now let's go back to your profile and refresh. Okay, so you could see it here. This is Trust Seal and this is your highlight. So it's perfect, looking beautiful, right? All right, so you could also set up the one that specifically displays your ID card. So you could title it NGMP. Okay, so you click, so you could title it NGMP or we are verified, something like that. Okay, so you click on new since the highlight has already been created, so creating a new one is going to be easier. Okay, so you just click on new on your home, on your profile home. So you click on new, then Okay, so you could select the camera roll, select any photo on your gallery, or you could select one of your stories. So since we just want to upload the NGMP ID card, the front and the rear view, so you just select this one and this one. So you click on next. So the title, like I said, you could use NGNP, Nigerian General Marketplace, as a title, or you could just say we are verified, you understand, to make it very attractive to people, so people could check it out there on your profile. All right, so you click on save. So you see saving featured collection. So this is how to set up your Facebook highlight with our ID card and the trust seal badge for customers to trust you. Okay, thank you for watching.